Alright, so this is a Lance truck camper, and this is something that Howard and I are thinking about doing if we go to Alaska. And so here's the nice big bed, queen size bed up here.
That's a slideout, correct.
No, but it slides into the
back. Yeah, it goes in the back of the truck. Yes. And there's no price tag in it because I'm guessing it's about 45.
You're wrong. It's only 36.
Is it only 36?
Yeah. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was going to be more like 50 or 60, but it was only 36.
That's 1,000, April.
No, I
know. This has got a nice big bathroom. If you can call it big, but it's big for a truck camper.
This is cute, John. Someday. Yeah. When it's just you and I.
Yeah, we can't put this in with the fifth wheel. So.
No, I'm just saying.
That go for, it sits there around 36 or so.
So this is the outside of it, and there's the part that goes over the truck. That's the bed.
Once you go this way, you'll be hard pressed to go away from it. For what you, I'm being serious. For what you can do.
Very little storage, but you just have to kind of deal with that. There's one of the little storage bins there. Not much to it. Have to put a lot in the truck, maybe up on top.